Hello guys, it's me Abdi, Core FX mentor. Welcome to the Malaysian SNR course that I'm really teaching you in this chapter 3 engulfing pattern lesson 2. I want to show you and explain about how to recognize the engulf and also refine the engulf. So before we go through the charities and make some examples of how you can make out the engulfing patterns, you must always understand the time frame and how it really in line, how time frames are in line it according to the engulfing patterns. For example, when we are for example a daily engulfing, we can define it to H4 or H1, like 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame. When we get H4 or 4 hour engulfing, we can refine it into 30 minutes or 15 minutes. When we get a 1 hour engulfing, we can refine it into 15 minutes or 5 minutes. There's some information that I want to also teach you. When we get a gap SNR, like the 4 hour gap SNR, the refinement that it gives is like 30-minute engulfing on refinement. Because whenever we get a H4 gap, we get 30-minute engulfing. So you have to bear in mind this is also very important. So let us go through. For example, I want to show you some details. Okay, some details. Let me put this information here so that I want to always show you how it's so easy recognizing also, or maybe, yeah. So now let us go the charities. This is the information, don't worry, we are at the daily. So we know most of the engulfed types. So from now on we have to understand how to recognize them and how to also refine them. So that's also very important. So now let me show you a cover up candle. Here we got this candle is totally covered up. All right, let me change the color. Okay, change the color also, and then yes, remove this one. So you will see the cover up candles. So this is a daily engulfed. This is engulfed by. So this engulfed by, you can see that this market 8 or covered up. This market covered up. It broke this one. We're not talking about this candle. We wanted the last candle, the last down close candle for a bullish engulfing. The last up close candle for bearish engulfing. That's what we want, EG buy and EG sell. So this last down close candle is covered by this bullish candle. So this is the engulfing. When we want to refine it, you can see we are at the daily. So this is daily engulfing. If we want to refine it, we can go H4 or H1. For example, if I go the H4, you can see that there should be another engulfing. So I will take it down for refinement. You can see, okay, that's the H4 engulfing. If I take it up, that will be daily engulfing, but for here it will be the H4 engulfing. If I want, I can still refine it to 1 hour. For the daily engulfing, you cannot refine it more than 2 times. Okay, more than 2 times. So you see, we got here, we got this refinement of. So the basic time frame to refine the daily engulf is H4. So if we go this 1 hour, Bryce can sometimes miss to reach, but H4 it's the best. So I will show you. H4 is the best when it comes for the daily engulfing refinement. Because the H1 can miss out. You can see H1 can miss out the Bryce. So the best time frame is like use always the H4 daily for H4. That's one time frame lower. So if I show you another engulfing of the H4, for example, how to refine the H4. H4, the basic time frame is 30 minutes for refining. Okay, I will show you H4 engulfing. Okay, we have a nice type of engulfing. Here there's engulfing, here there's engulfing, here H4 engulfing. Okay, that's H4 engulfing. So the best time frame to refine is 30 minutes. 15 minutes somehow choppy, so use for refinement use 30 minutes since H4, since we are at H4. Okay, so according to the 30 minute engulfing, it will be this one. Okay, we refine it to there, you see, that's the refinement. Okay, and then drag it little bit up. So that candle is the refinement. Since we got H4, so we go 30 minutes to refine it, and then you can see when Bryce breaks down, then it comes in back to this engulfing, then you enter and it sell off. So nice. I think that this will make something very clear whenever you get it. For example, on H4, the best engulfing will be 15 minutes. Okay, so let us go H1. Sorry, H1. That's 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. You will see that whenever you get a 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame engulfing, the basic time frame to refine is 15 minutes. So I want to show you engulfed candles. For example, here we are 1 hour 30. There is engulfed candle here. There is engulfed candle here. Okay, alright, let us look for EG, which is very clear. Okay, engulfed, which is very clear, so I don't want you to fall it. Let us see this one. Okay, let me make example of this one. Alright, that's 1 hour engulfing. That's 1 hour engulfing. Okay, so for the basic time frame to refine is 15 minutes. Okay, it was not that one. That is, yeah, this one. So the 15-minute refinement, yeah, because we wanted a candle to get a clear, so we will drag it since this candle covers all the candles. So this is the 15 minute. We will put it here, and then you can see if this, yeah, this candle, the one that creates the wick, I don't know if you guys can see it, that high and this low. So that is the 15-minute engulfing when we refine the 1 hour. So the other refinement is like H4 gap SNR, which will become 30 minutes engulfing on refinement. So you know SNR types because we have explained it more about the SNR in chapter 2. So watch the video and find out what the gap SNR is. So we go H4 and then find any of the H4 gap SNR, and then whenever we go to 30 minutes, we will see gap SNR. For example, here, let me remove here, and then here we have H4 gap SNR. Okay, let me type it. H4 gap SNR. So when we refine the H4 gap SNR into 30 minutes, we will see a hidden zone which is 30 minute engulfing for refinement of the H4 gap SNR. So now let me go to 30 minutes and I will show you that there is a hidden zone which is engulfed. You guys see there is engulfed candle there. There is engulfed candle which you will see there. That's the refinement of the engulfed of the H4 gap SNR. I hope that this video covers a lot of information, and the other thing is we will go through the charities and give you more examples about how you can recognize all types of SNRs one by one. Let us watch the next video. Bye bye.